Welcome to Effortless Automation in Google Sheets.
Tired of repetitive tasks? Discover how Google Sheets can help speed up your workflow. In this guide, learn practical ways to automate data entry and analysis without writing a single line of code. Get ready to save time and make your spreadsheets work smarter for you.
Explore built-in data validation.
Lets you restrict what users can enter into cells. For example, you can create drop-down menus to standardize inputs or limit entries to numbers or dates. This not only ensures accuracy, but also saves you from manually cleaning up mistakes or formatting later.
Leverage conditional formatting.
Use conditional formatting to automatically highlight cells based on their values or rules you set. For example, you can color code expenses above a certain amount or flag completed tasks. This feature makes important data stand out instantly, reducing manual checks.
Streamline with Google Sheets add-ons.
Add-ons extend the power of Google Sheets with extra features. Browse the Google Workspace Marketplace for automation tools like mail merge, document creation, or advanced data cleanup tools. Many add-ons are simple to use and don't require any programming knowledge.
Automate routine actions using macros.
Macros let you record a sequence of actions, such as formatting, sorting, or copying data, and repeat them anytime with a click. Just go to the Extensions menu, choose Macros, and start recording. It's an easy way to automate repetitive processes without code.
Put it all together for maximum efficiency.
Combine these tools, data validation, conditional formatting, add-ons, and macros to automate everyday tasks in Google Sheets. With just a few tweaks, you'll reduce errors, speed up workflow, and free up time for more important work, all without needing to learn coding.